Hi, Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. Welcome back to our tutorial. So for today, I will teach you on how to create your first AR. Okay, so but what you need to do if this is your first project, so please make sure that you have the Vuforia Engine. Okay, so go to Window, choose Package Manager. Alright, and then click on Vuforia Engine over here. If you cannot find Vuforia Engine AR, you can always research in you can always search in this search punya ruangan. Okay, and then click install. There should be one install button over here, but I don't have it because I already installed Vuforia Engine AR. Okay, so we can remove that one. Once you have installed Vuforia Engine AR, so you can see that you have this Vuforia Engine option. Okay, we need this thing. Alright, so the next thing you need to do is go to Vuforia Developer Portal. Okay, and try to register because you need to have an account over here, and you can always follow the steps. Okay, once you done that part, you can log in. Okay, so in order you to use Vuforia inside Unity, you need to have a key for development. So click on Develop tab. Okay, choose License Manager. We need to have this license. We need to copy the license in Unity. Get development key. Okay, and name it. Name with any name. Okay, for example like this. Okay, check the box and choose confirm. Okay, so you will have your, for example, I name my license as my first AR 2021, so click on that part. Okay, so this license we need to copy in Vuforia, but we will copy later. Next, go to Target Manager. Alright, in here we need to create a database, and we are going to use that database in Unity. So click Add Database, name it okay, 2020. Okay, I choose this name lah. And because I have it, if this is your first database, so you need to choose device and click create. But if you already have it, just go to project ARL01. Okay, in here we are going to upload a few images, and these images will be used as the target marker. Alright, I have one image over here, which is the Coca-Cola logo. Alright, how can we upload this image? Just click on add target, choose single image, browse whatever image that you want to include. Okay, for example, I'm having this Coca-Cola 900, and then open it and choose add. Okay, I repeat, click on single image, browse the location of your image. Okay, you can always resize the width of your image to 10. The name will be as the same as your JPEG name or your PNG name, PNG file name, but you can always change this name also to any other name. Okay, and then click add. Alright, once you click add, it will have the target name, alright, the type of the file, and then the rating. The rating part is very important because I would suggest you to have the target image. Okay, the rating should be around 4 or 5 stars. That one much more easier. When you want to scan the image, it will be easy to detect. But if you have 3 star, image, it's quite difficult for the scanner or for the AR camera to detect the image. Okay, so the rating is really important. Once you have this, okay, it can be 10 images, it can be 20 images, but in this example I only upload one image only. Download the database and use and choose Unity editor. Alright, so we are going to download that. Okay, it will take several minutes, depends on your internet connection, and you can find your project as what we call it as project ARL01 Unity package. Okay, so we need that database later. Okay, go back to your Unity. Alright, first of all, what you need to do is go right mouse click inside your hierarchy, go Vuforia and add the AR camera. Just accept it. Okay, remove your main camera over here. Next, go to Vuforia, click on image. Alright, okay, something like that. And then we need to import package, the one that we already download earlier. And wait, okay, just choose open and import everything. Alright, go back to AR camera. This is really important, we need to delete the default camera. Okay, open Vuforia Engine configuration. We need to add the license that we create earlier. Just click on add license. It will go back to your this one, this part. Okay, copy, go back to Unity and paste it here. Do it once. Once you finish that, okay, click on image target. There will be one image to display, and we can always choose the database. For example, our database name is project AR. Choose that one. Okay, now we have the Coca-Cola image target. After that, we need to create an object. In this example, I'm using this cube. Make sure the cube is on the top of the target market, image target. See, target market. Okay, image target. Alright, and make sure the cube become the child of the image target. Okay, so what you need to do next is to have the what we call it the camera to view this image marker. Alright, okay.